Have you ever wondered why the day suddenly turns into night during a solar eclipse? This celestial spectacle has fascinated humankind for centuries, stirring a mix of fear, awe, and intrigue. It's an astronomical ballet choreographed by the cosmos itself, a dance between the sun, the moon, and the earth. In the space of a few moments, the world is plunged into an eerie twilight, a temporary nightfall in the heart of the day. Join us on this illuminating journey as we unravel the mysteries of solar eclipses. Firstly, it is crucial to understand what a solar eclipse is. Simply put, a solar eclipse is a celestial event that occurs when the moon, in its orbit around the Earth, aligns itself directly between the sun and our planet. For a brief period, the moon can block the sun's light, casting a shadow on Earth. This shadow creates a unique spectacle that we on Earth recognize as a solar eclipse. Now, let's delve a little deeper. Not all solar eclipses are the same. There are three primary types: total, partial, and annular. In a total solar eclipse, the moon fully obscures the sun's disk. For a few precious moments, day turns into night, and the sky is darkened except for the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, which appears as a shimmering halo. This spectacle is visible only from a narrow path on Earth's surface. Next, we have the partial solar eclipse. This is when the moon covers only a portion of the sun. The sun appears to have a chunk bitten out of it, as if a celestial cookie monster had a bite. This type of eclipse is visible over a wider area than the total solar eclipse. The third type is the annular solar eclipse. The term annular is derived from the Latin word for ring. This happens when the moon is at a point in its orbit where it is too far from the Earth to completely cover the sun. As a result, a ring of the sun's surface, or photosphere, remains visible around the moon, creating a ring of fire in the sky. Understanding these variations helps us appreciate the intricate dance of celestial bodies that results in these awe-inspiring events. Each type of solar eclipse offers a unique perspective on the cosmic ballet that is continually unfolding above us. Thus, a solar eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the Earth. It's a remarkable reminder of our place in the cosmos, of the grandeur of the universe, and of the celestial mechanics that quietly orchestrate the rhythm of our days and nights. Now that we know what a solar eclipse is, the next question is, how does it occur? Well, a solar eclipse is all about alignment. It happens when the moon gets between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow onto our planet. This alignment is also known as a syzygy, a term borrowed from Greek meaning yoked together. To understand this better, let's imagine a cosmic dance between three celestial bodies: the sun, moon, and Earth. The sun, our brilliant star, sits at the heart of our solar system, casting light in all directions. The Earth, our home, is constantly in motion, rotating on its axis and orbiting the sun in a path called an ecliptic. Now enter the moon, our nearest celestial neighbour. It orbits the Earth, but not in the same plane as the Earth orbits the sun. The moon's orbit is inclined about 5 degrees to the Earth's ecliptic. This means the moon spends most of its time either above or below the direct line between the Earth and the sun. Here's where it gets interesting. Roughly every 29.5 days, the moon completes one orbit around the Earth. This is known as a lunar month. However, a solar eclipse does not occur every new moon. Why is that? Remember the moon's inclined orbit? This is the key. For a solar eclipse to occur, the moon must be in the new moon phase, and it must also be at a point in its orbit where it crosses the Earth's ecliptic plane, a point known as the node. These two conditions must coincide for the moon's shadow to fall on the Earth and create a solar eclipse. So it's the precise alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth that leads to the fascinating phenomenon of a solar eclipse. It's like a celestial game of hide-and-seek, where the moon momentarily hides the sun, captivating us with a breathtaking spectacle. Now, isn't that a delightful dance of cosmic proportions? But what makes solar eclipses so unique from a scientific perspective? Surely, the visual spectacle of an eclipse is awe-inspiring, but the scientific significance of these celestial events extends far beyond their beauty. Solar eclipses, in fact, provide an unparalleled opportunity for scientists to delve into the mysteries of our closest star, the Sun. Let's consider the sun's outermost layer, the corona. This plasma halo, invisible to the naked eye under normal conditions, radiates millions of degrees hotter than the sun's surface. Yet, the reason behind this temperature inversion remains one of the most puzzling conundrums in astrophysics. Enter the solar eclipse. During totality, when the moon perfectly aligns with the sun, the dazzling sunlight is momentarily dimmed, allowing the corona to shine in all its glory. This brief window grants scientists the chance to study the corona's structure and dynamics directly, potentially unearthing clues to the so-called coronal heating problem. Next up, we have solar prominences. These are massive gaseous structures that loop out from the sun's surface, driven by intense magnetic fields. During a solar eclipse, these prominences are more discernible against the darkened sky, enabling scientists to scrutinize their intricate patterns and better understand the sun's magnetic field. Moreover, solar eclipses have historically helped confirm critical scientific theories. A notable instance is during the solar eclipse of 1919, when Arthur Eddington observed the bending of starlight around the sun, providing empirical support for Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. Thus, solar eclipses serve as more than just a cosmic spectacle. They are a gateway to knowledge, a tool for scientific discovery, and a rare chance for us to witness the sun's hidden marvels. Every solar eclipse brings with it the potential for new discoveries, new insights, and a deeper understanding of our universe. Indeed, solar eclipses play a key role in advancing our understanding of the sun and its mysteries. Beyond science, solar eclipses have also left their mark on cultures worldwide. Throughout history, solar eclipses have held a special place in the lore and mythology of societies, making them more than just celestial phenomena. They have been seen as omens, divine messages, and even the workings of supernatural entities. For instance, in ancient China, it was believed that a solar eclipse occurred when a celestial dragon devoured the sun. This belief led to a tradition where people would bang pots and drums to scare away the dragon and save the sun. The Vikings, on the other hand, attributed solar eclipses to Skoll and Hati, two mythical wolves who chased the sun and moon. When an eclipse happened, they believed one of these wolves had caught up with and swallowed the celestial body, causing the sky to darken. In the lands of the Native American tribes, different interpretations abound. The Pomo tribe in California saw the eclipse as a bear strolling across the sky, biting the sun and causing it to darken. They commemorated this event with a dance known as the Bear Dance. Meanwhile, in the heart of Africa, the Batamaliba people of Togo and Benin see eclipses as a time of coming together and resolving old feuds. They believe that the sun and moon are fighting during an eclipse, and it's up to the people on Earth to make peace and encourage the celestial bodies to do the same. These stories, albeit diverse, share a common thread: the human inclination to make sense of the extraordinary through the lens of culture and belief. It's a testament to our enduring desire to connect with the cosmos, to find meaning in the seemingly inexplicable, and to feel a part of something much larger than ourselves. Undoubtedly, solar eclipses have a profound cultural impact, stirring awe and sometimes fear in people around the world. In this short span of time, we've journeyed through the captivating world of solar eclipses. We started off by unraveling the mysteries of the heavens, delving into the mesmerizing spectacle that transpires when the moon dances between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow that briefly turns day into night. We ventured further to define a solar eclipse, an astronomical event that occurs when the moon's orbit aligns perfectly with the Earth and sun. This celestial alignment, though it seems simple, is a complex and fascinating dance of cosmic bodies, governed by the precise laws of celestial mechanics. We explored the science behind these remarkable events, understanding how the sun's corona, usually hidden by the sun's brilliant light, becomes visible during a total solar eclipse. This glowing halo, a crown of plasma, offers invaluable insights into solar activity and its influence on our planet. We also dove into the cultural impact of solar eclipses, reflecting on the awe and reverence they've inspired throughout human history. From ancient civilizations, seeing them as omens, to modern society viewing them as extraordinary natural phenomena, solar eclipses have always held a profound significance. As we conclude our journey, remember that each solar eclipse is a rare cosmic ballet, a testament to the incredible precision of our universe's celestial mechanics.